Alright, yo, we're ready to make some money today, baby. It's gonna be our third and fourth take profit trader payouts, and it's gonna be third and fourth like consecutive day of taking out payouts because it's daily withdrawals. And low-key, it's probably the sickest thing to happen to prop firms. I don't know why all prop firms don't do this. What we're gonna do today is kind of go over the withdrawal process from drawing from your pro accounts. As you can see, failed many times. Still have some evals ready, and then I actually reset some pro accounts for the first time, blew 3 of them, and then we've taken out $1,000 from the remaining 2. It's just crazy being able to reset a pro account. I always thought it was kind of a rip-off, right? Because it was like $650 for a 2K unrealized trailing drawdown accounts. So I thought it was a little bit expensive, but I was kind of tilting a little bit, and I just kind of sent it. And I ended up hitting like 4,400 profits on each of the accounts. I'm not sure why it's not showing that. With that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and take our money out because we hit a few payouts here already. We already took out 2 $2,400 payouts. Now we're gonna see what we can take out now. This little magic withdrawal button has now appeared. And Max, have you ever seen this button appear before?
I haven't, but soon.
Yeah. Like, yeah. I mean, this is new to me too. Like, I've been trading take profit trader for years, and I always just get so fucking greedy that I'll never actually take out the money. There were many times where I was above the buffer and I had a payout available for me, and it would be, 5 accounts, maybe like $1,000 each. So it'd be like a $5,000 payout. After profit split, it'd be like $4,000 for the bank. And what I would do is go for the $50,000 payout and just completely blow out.
Always remember, pay the trader.
Yeah. Remember to pay yourself and don't get too greedy because greed kills traders. I know it's killed me for a long time, but as you can see with these accounts, it's telling us right here, we have $657 available for withdrawal. That's a fucking nice little payday. I mean, we paid $650 for this account. We already took out $2,400. This is another $657 on top of it. So we're deep in profit even after resetting 5 50K pro accounts for $650 each. Incredible. But yeah, as you can see, if we type in the max amount, I might as well take that 50 cents too. We're getting about $526 to the bank, which is not bad at all.
Very nice.
I mean, this like let's say I didn't reset this, just did the eval, went to pro. This is like $100 account. There's no activation fees. It's 40% off right now. Sometimes it's 30% off, so you just got to catch it when it's right. But you could just always use code DGT to get the max discount. I mean, it's like $100, no activation fees, so it's $100 all in, and it's daily withdrawals. I got my first payout, the $2,400 one, just fucking hyper scalping gold, and it was super volatile. And that was a $2,400 payout. After profit split, it was around $1,950. So $100 to almost $2,000 in one day. I mean, it's kind of crazy.
Can't beat it.
Yeah, even with the reset that I did, which I low-key highly don't recommend. I don't think it's the right way to go. I was tilting a little bit, so I just reset them anyways. But $650 to $1,950 into the bank, that's a 3x in one day.
Hard to beat, really.
If it makes money, it makes sense. It makes sense. But we'll go ahead and send this request. And they did bump up their security, so we have to do a little authentication here, which is a good thing because you never know who's gonna try hacking your accounts and shit like that. But let's go back to our other account because we have one more. I believe that has another payout. Yeah, so we have $935 available for withdrawal. And this with magic withdraw button just appears. I said, oh my God, it's just so beautiful. What other prop firm lets you do this the next day after you made the money? Just crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Very nice.
Is that what it adds up to the bank?
Just around, yeah.
Yeah. See, and that's fucking after 2 days of work. And it was like 2 micros on gold. Like crazy. Well, let's check out our wallet. So we have like $3,600 in our wallet. We have a $900 request that I made a few days ago. It was Max Options Trading's event this weekend, so it was kind of a crazy weekend for me, so I kind of forgot about this. But yeah, I mean, we got like $900. The rest of these withdrawals, that's just affiliates. People just love using code DGT. So I mean, these are my first real payouts from trading with Take Profit Trader. But even like the affiliates are daily payouts. So it's like Take Profit Trader is just the GOAT. And yeah, so I just put like $900 in there. Proceed to bank. Boom. Literally just easy as that. And I dead ass, I bet you in like, oh yeah, it already happened. I already got the notification. It's in the bank.
That's sick.
Look at this. Oh, can I show everything? Yeah, I think I can. Look at this. Already in the bank, that $900. Just immediately. Just absolutely beautiful. Like, do you see that shit? Literally instantly, dude.
Yeah, less than a minute.
Crazy. Just absolutely crazy. And then we got another 3,006. So we might as well just take it all out, right? So this will cover basically all of our fees we paid from resetting accounts. And then it does take them like a little bit to
Except
to approve it. Yeah. So I'm assuming actually by some point today, like tonight, it's going to be approved. Like they're pretty quick with it. But as you can see, I mean, I still have some evals. I've blown a ton. I have like 5 pages of them. And then I've never reset pro accounts up until, these accounts. I blew 3 of them, kept 2 of them. But 5 times 650, let's do a little math here. So 650 times 5, about $3,200. So we just took out $900 plus $3,600, and then we have, how much did you say? Those 2 payouts we just took out?
That's just around 1,300.
And another 1,300. So we wiped out the fucking losses from resetting these accounts, and that was expensive. Like if we go in here, we can do it up to 3 times, $650.
Oh yeah.
It's fucking expensive. It can add up.
Goes to 2 accounts can run up 2 resets in a day. So can't beat it.
I mean, yeah, all you like, so you guys know me. Every time I live trade, I always have like 40 to fucking 80 accounts copy trading, right? And low key, I've made more money with fucking 2 accounts the past 2 weeks than with the 40 to 80 accounts. Like low key, the pressure of trading so many accounts can just be crushing. And like, I mean, you don't even need it. See, like, I mean, we're still making thousands of dollars in profit with just a couple of accounts, dude.
Making me want to run up 5 accounts now. I'll have to send it, guys.
Yeah. So, dude, this is Max, by the way.
Hey, guys.
Super fucking awesome, dude. He's in Miami here with me. Met him a few days ago, and we've been chilling. He's just fucking awesome. He's goated.
Yeah.
But what was your experience with Take Profit Trader? Because I know for me, it was very hard to get a payout, dude. It was very hard.
I've gotten payouts, but just not through Take Profit Trader, but that doesn't mean I don't stand by them. I think the opportunity is amazing. The eval is a little annoying at 5 days, but then again, you're getting daily payouts. So personally, I want to give it another shot, and I think they're one of the most reputable firms around. I mean, look at this. He got a payout in his account in less than a minute. So you can trust them, right? There's a lot of firms out there that take a long time, days on days. And
yeah, but why so I know I said why I've never gotten a payout from TPT. It's been like probably 2 years, and I've always had like the opportunity to take a payout, right? But I just wouldn't do it. I just always wanted more. I always got so greedy. And then other times I wouldn't even make it. I just get blown the fuck out before I even got past the buffer.
Yeah.
What's the thing that like you struggled with the most when it comes to Take Profit Trader?
So I don't even think it's Take Profit Trader. For me, it's the intraday trailing, and that's a little more difficult as it is. So something I've realized that I want to start implementing when I get back to this, undersizing and taking profits as it runs. So that way you're always securing the bag and not floating profits and unrealized losses. There's no need for that. You could just start taking the wins and treat it a little differently than you would the end of day.
So you're thinking smaller size and scalping it out.
So let's say you're in 3 micros. Let's say you're halfway to your profit target. Take one off. Secure the payment to yourself. So it's a cooler way to think about it in that sense. instead of floating a whole position and taking a loss on an unrealized gain.
And risking it coming back down to your stop loss. So eliminating all the profit that you had, plus bringing your account in a negative. The unrealized trailing drawdown basically just doubles. And the way I actually did it is very similar to what Max just said. I was trading about 5 micros on gold, which its ATR right now is through the roof. It's going crazy. But I was basically just hyper scalping. So I'd be risking $500 per trade on a 50K account, which would be basically 1/4 of the account. I'd be going for 10 points, 5 micros. You know, I did blow 3 out of the 5. And that was because of basically what Max said. I would have the 10-point stop loss, 10-point take profit. It'd go a little bit into, like, you know, profit, almost hit my TP, boom, slam back down to my stop loss, then boom, half my account's gone because...
You're double down. You're not just half down. You're double down.
Yeah.
It's mindfulness.
But what I did do with these accounts that I got the payout on, I actually did, like, even if it like got super close to my TP, I would literally just either drag my stop loss to break even or in profit just in case, or I just exit on market orders. I mean, I think that's just the way to get past unrealized trailing drawdown. And actually, on one of these accounts, I hit like $3,600 in one day. Yeah. So I had another $1,600 payout lined up, but I got so greedy.
It happens.
I ended up blowing it, dude.
It's the name of the game. But thankful for the opportunities we have. Your journey doesn't stop there, man. You just paid yourself. So
Yeah. Now we could be net profitable with Take Profit Trader because these accounts are not that expensive. They really aren't. It's like $100 for 50K, maybe like $200 for 150K. I'm gonna do a little bit of accounting to see where we're at with Take Profit Trader, but I'm really thinking we only spent like 10 G's in the past 2 years. I mean, just rinsing through accounts. We have 3 pages of pro accounts, 5 pages of eval accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is probably like 15 accounts per page. So we're looking at roughly 60 evals. I don't think I've ever paid an activation fee, so
no, I haven't.
yeah, like in the 2 years, I don't think I've ever paid an activation fee. It actually could be a lot less than 10 G's cost, plus our 3,000 that we just spent on these pro account resets, which is by far the most expensive thing I've ever done with Take Profit Trader. Low key, we're at almost $7,000 in payouts at this point once they get approved here. I mean, 4,500 plus the 1,300. So I don't know. So we're just under $6,000 right now to the bank. Yeah, that 20% does hurt a little bit, but the goal with Take Profit Trader is to not ever go to pro again. Just have Take Profit Trader cut you off from pro forever. That you get like an email, right? It basically states that whenever you pass an evaluation account with Take Profit Trader, you immediately go to Pro Plus, which is basically their live funded account. You could have up to 5 of them, and it's a 90-10 profit split.
And it's not trailing drawdown. It's end of day.
And it's end of day. So that's my main goal here, is to milk them so hard in sim that they move me to Pro Plus, and I get that email saying that I can never be in Pro again. If you're that profitable, they don't want to pay you in sim money. They want to send you to live, take their 10%, which is better than 20% of sim money, right? So that's like Take Profit Trader's ultimate goal here. Passing an eval, going straight to end of day drawdown with daily withdrawals, 90-10 profit split, 5 accounts, maximum leverage, no scaling plans. I mean, I don't think there is a better prop firm. Besides,
not in the live world.
Not in the live world. Yes. But I did notice your shirt.
Oh yes, Apex. Shout out them. They gave me this during the MOT event, and they tripped me out. I love it.
Yeah. Shout out to fucking Big Daddy Max. Fucking, he's a gangster.
Yeah.
But Loki, Apex, Take Profit Trader, they both love the unrealized trailing drawdown, but it's because they just have the best price to profit ratio. Oh, yes. I mean, it is fucking ridiculous. Literally, the only better prop firm, or like prop firm that can compare to Take Profit Trader, is Apex because of the leverage.
The one payout can easily offset months and months and months of
like 1,000 evals. With one payout, you could offset them.
And say you get 2 payouts in a month, you are chilling.
chilling and killing. But yeah, with that being said, GG's guys, we're gonna wait to get approved and say something in the comments below about why TPT is like the fucking GOAT. Try to convince me why they're not the GOAT, because I just cannot see a reason why they wouldn't be. Just try your best. Peace out. Max?
Much love.
Yeah. Adios. Stay beautiful, baby.